ang assign sa akin to teach about Botox and fillers. But I decided to tell you about two things. How ISA can change your life and other treatments that the clinic can offer. So, I'll give you a background. What's ISA? ISA is already here for more than 3 decades. How it started? Wala pa yung mga ibang clinics. It started by one of the most respected doctors, Dr. from the name itself, ISA, Dr. Isabel Masal. So that was around 35 years ago. Now, ISA Shaw, it started year 2018. That's also the time that I started having a job here in ISA. Actually, I'm so happy to be part of the transformation of each of our VIPs. VIP means very important patients, our valued clients. The transformation is not only outside, but upon request, I will show you how beautiful the transformation. Imagine we're having patients, clients, having eye bags for surgical procedure, but they requested non-surgically. Later, I will tell you how I did it. So from the eye bags, around 60-year-old, we could do it non-surgically using fillers and Botox. And for the nose, we can use using fillers or threads. So, what's the goal of ISA? The goal of ISA, the vision is very simple yet powerful. So, we want our patient to bring out the best in them. How? By giving them a very tailored treatment. So, it's not when a patient comes to me, it's not something like, this is what you do. I don't tell them what to do. I listen. It's not just about the money. It's about service. Also, when I listen, I feel fulfilled when I have this thing in Filipino, the GGSS. Who knows about GGSS? Exactly. I feel fulfilled when it happens. So, I think I already had my goal. So those people who had a GGSS thing became our friends and loyal clients. So, after the procedure, you look in the mirror, you will say, and see them teary-eyed. Like, oh, this is my dream. Thank you for the nose. Ano na akong eye bags. Hindi ko na kailangan ng surgery. This is not just, I'm not giving you old school. You can research on us on the internet or the Google. We have before and after procedures. So, anyway, let's go to a more technical topic, if you don't mind. I will try to teach you about the face. So, imagine, half of the face, this is the boys, this is around 60 plus. So, this is an interactive section. So, yung mga sagot, meron price. So you have, this is 20s, and this is on the side older. So, what can you say about this side? On the left side, if you are younger, compared to the right side? Anyone? So from the eyes, what can you say if you are young? And on the right, on this, if you are old, what can you say?
Yes, answer.
Pag medyo old,
Aryan.
Pag medyo older po, yung skin natin nawawala ng elasticity. So, compare sa mas younger, may elasticity pa.
Okay, good. Dahil dyan, meron akong isa.
Wow, may price!
May price ka, I had it in my Malaysia, so you have
Amazing.
Anyway, so that's correct. Si Aryan, right? This is upper eyelid. Meron ka bang eyelid? Pag medyo old ka na, medyo hindi mo nakita yung upper eyelid. So, that's aging face. Also, you notice raised to legal poles, or yung poles dito, naka-align, the marionette lines. Usually, naka-jowls. Correct? So, how do we treat those things? Okay. So, I will tell you in an equal manner. So, imagine Adidas. Diba Adidas is like this? So, you look na yung eyes, nagkakaroon ng holes, nagkakaroon ng marionette lines. So, you will have an idea that part of your face is getting older. So, you can prevent it. There's a way to prevent it. You need to stand. Okay, use sunblock is as we are talking about. Avoid smoking. But if ever your face is already like this, we're here to help you. Okay. As I mentioned, I will teach you what's aging for you to understand better. So, this starts from the skin. So, the skin, mapapansin nyo, that started to have loose and lax because of the there's a depletion of collagen. Para sa ba yung collagen? Always hear it. Collagen is responsible for elasticity. So, nag-loose nga. From the collagen, after the skin, you will see there's the fat. There's atrophy. When you say atrophy, nawawala yung fat. Nakakabata siya actually. So, yung iba gusto magpatanggal ng fat dito. Be careful, hindi lahat indicated for that. Okay, after the fat, yung nagkakaproblem, atrophy, but sa muscle, nagkakaroon din also ng laxity, pati yung ligaments. So, yung mga support, nawawala. And lastly, the bone, there is a bone resorption. So, there's bone remodeling. So, how do you address it? Pag may patients na dito, just go surgically. But of course, some patients will still say, even though they're 50s and above, no, please do something non-surgically. For the younger clients, like, don't do something like, please, make my nose look better, look natural, make me look like slimmer. Those can be addressed like non-surgical ways. So, okay, let's start. So, I said skin. So, how do we treat that? So, usually, of course, you use Botox. And then after the skin, so we have this such a thing as biostimulators. And with biostimulators, I think you want to visit in other clinics. There's what we call Sculptra, NCTF, hyaluronic acid, more in the fluid side. So it will make your skin hydrated or hydrated. What is Sculptra? Sculptra is biostimulators. So stimulate yung collagen, dadami siya. It's like you're having fertilizer in the skin. So you do it in two ways, either cannula, or yung needle, nakalat, or the microneedling.